When Mr. Crowe first reached out, he had a clear vision. His master bathroom wasn't just going to be functional, it was going to be a space that radiated luxury. Initially, he was considering an infrared sauna. He tried one on vacation, but after comparing it to the sauna at his gym, he realized it didn't provide the comfort or immersive experience that he was looking for. That's where our conversation began. I introduced him to the Cedro line, and he immediately connected its blend of European-inspired luxury and American craftsmanship. Cedro saunas offer a timeless design rooted in sauna traditions, but they're built right here in the US with exceptional care and attention to detail. Knowing that he'd be getting something locally crafted that embodied European elegance was a perfect fit for his vision. As we started discussing the details, Mr. Crowe mentioned his contractor didn't have much experience installing saunas, so he was thrilled to learn that Cedro saunas come pre-cut and ready to assemble. I assured him the process would be simple and that the result would look like it was custom built by a seasoned expert. Design was a big focus for Mr. Crowe. He came prepared with ideas inspired by photos of modern saunas, and we worked together to tailor the design to his space. One feature that stood out was the floating benches with integrated lighting. He loved the idea of a sauna that felt not only functional, but like a piece of art. With Cedro's clean lines and sophisticated design, we knew we could create a centerpiece that would elevate his entire bathroom. Let's take a look at what Mr. Crowe had to say about the experience.
You know, our sauna feels very luxurious. We chose to go with a custom glass front, which really shows the interior lighting. It really accentuates the wood. Besides the luxurious look of it, we like the functionality. I'm able to get up early in the morning. I'm able to set it up remotely so that it starts very early in the morning. So when it's time to get out of bed, I have a cup of coffee, enjoy the sauna. It's all heated to the perfect temperature. We just absolutely love it. My advice for anybody that's looking to order a custom sauna is do a little bit of research. Come with many questions to the folks at the sauna place. Tony was able to answer those for me and give me some guidance on the right items to choose. And it certainly has turned out to be a wonderful thing. We came across the sauna place by doing a Google search and had looked at several different areas and different companies. And I had given them a call, and their service was really top-notch, second to none. I had some great conversations about what it meant to build a custom sauna, and we decided to go with them. As a consumer, these days it's hard to find somebody that you can trust that'll give you good advice and then really follow through on it. And the folks there really did so.
This wasn't just about aesthetics. It was about creating a multi-sensory experience that enhanced every moment inside the sauna. Mr. Crowe loved how it tied everything together, blending luxury design with practicality. It was an honor to be part of his project and help create something so special. To hear more stories of customers taking the journey with us here at Cedro Sauna, visit cedrosauna.com.